Hello, everyone. Another huge week with Live Good. Very exciting stuff happening. In fact, it was our biggest week ever in terms of product sales, which is really exciting. And Nader, you probably know why this is so exciting, because in most network marketing, we've talked about a ton of new product launches that are coming, but we've got a lot of stuff coming. We've got our Hydration Amplifier product coming. We've got a women's PMS hormonal product. We've got skincare products. We've got gut support. Just launched our children's Gummy multivitamin, USDA certified organic. So lots of exciting things. But in most companies, when a new product launch is coming, everyone gets super excited, super pumped up, hyped, but they don't order until that product comes out, especially if it's a company that requires people to purchase product. Because and this is another thing, is that most companies that require a product purchase, when a new product launches, what happens is people stop buying the old products that they've been so excited about, that they talk so highly of, and get the new product that they've never even tried before and stop buying the other one. And that's because the prices are so high. I mean, if you've only got $80 or $100 or $150 and you can only buy one product in that company, you're going to try the new product. You're not going to spend 150 on this product and 150 on the new product. And so what's so exciting about Live Good is that we just had our biggest week of product orders ever. Amen. In a company with absolutely no requirement to purchase any product at all, in a month when we're about to launch 3 or 4 brand new products. It didn't even slow down. Like, usually people wait until that new product comes out to order, and to order other products or to switch their order, whatever it is. We had our biggest week. A lot of our products had record weeks. Yes. And in a week that we were about to launch something. So I just think that's super awesome. Love the duplication. You guys are on fire. I love that you guys are recognizing the value of these amazing products, and the testimonials that are coming in are awesome. I love that we just launched our lean weight management or lean body composition product just in time for summer. People are already getting results. People losing 3, 5, 10 pounds their first couple weeks on the product, which I absolutely love. This product is amazing. And for under 20 bucks, guys, it is best value out there. We have so many products, including lean, our body composition improvement formula, including super reds, super greens, now the children's gummy, our magnesium, our methylene blue. I mean, so many of these products you can build, and we have. I mean, I launched a whole company with a product like lean that wasn't even as good. I launched a whole company with literally the exact same ageless and crushed it. I mean, any one of our products, you can build an entire company around, and we have all of them at the best prices, highest quality anywhere. So it's a really, really exciting time. And the things that we've been working on behind the scenes, at least is in the studio right now, filming stuff. Guys, we're putting together some things that have never been seen in this industry. That's going to make this clearly got the most duplicatable program industry in the world, and now it's going to get even easier. So it's exciting, everything that's going on. So thank you guys so much.